We have almost 1.5 million schools in India, and despite having large footprints of schools in our country, we have one of the deepest learning crises. According to the survey conducted by USER, nearly 50% of Class 5 students who were asked to read the text of Class 2 failed to do so. Only 24.5% of Class 5 students were able to solve a basic math problem. Isn't it surprising? But this doesn't mean that children are not going to school. In fact, they are, but the actual learning outcome is not at par. With that being said, let's focus on components that contribute to a holistic learning outcome. Better governance, infrastructure, and well-trained teachers are critical components to the equation. However, parents' engagement plays a vital role affecting the learning curve of a child. To empower parents and make them feel connected with fellow parents, Saajha has built an ecosystem which enables them to access Saajha's platform through a dedicated helpline number. To improve accessibility, Saajha also has a dedicated WhatsApp support channel, a mobile application, along with an analytics platform enabling Saajhedars to track learning growth of children. Parents can easily access the platform wherein they can see a number of relevant topics. For example, assessing children's learning, examination, admissions in schools, etc. In case they face any challenge, they can choose to call a response team, which will mostly consist of designated fellow parents called Saajhedars. Every new topic asked on the response line is then recorded, curated, and added to the pre-listed topics, hence creating a feedback system which matures the self-help ecosystem over time. Let's understand this with an example. Meet Meena. She is struggling to read. Her mother Ritu is concerned and finds out about Saajha's platform. Ritu accesses the platform but faces some challenges. She then calls up the Saajhedar's helpline number. On the other side, a fellow parent, Latha, talks to her, understands her concern, and recommends that she use an existing reading solution, such as Google Read Along or Khan Academy. Latha then helps Ritu with downloading and using the application. With this intervention, Ritu has now put Meena on a learning path, where she gets support from Latha at regular intervals to solve any queries. In 3 months, Meena's reading proficiency has a significant improvement and she now reads out stories for Ritu. Our program is just a small step to catalyze the learning growth by enabling active parent participation. The goal is to ensure foundational literacy and numeracy for every child at the very least. Because we believe every child, like Meena, deserves to be able to dream big and realize them. And the journey begins with a simple phone call.